Yo, what up? My brother's doing something weird upstairs. Let's go check it out. Just watching how this works. Right, so my brother's playing around with apps and programming, and right now he's taking a whole bunch of photos around one particular object. In this case, it's this shoe, and he's going to transfer that into this app that he's working on, and basically turns it 3D. So the more angles that you get of the shoe or that particular object, the more detailed the actual 3D object is on the app or the computer. That's what he's doing right now, and that's why he's kind of taking like pictures in small increments. Damn, man, you ballin', bruh. These are dope. Whoa. Yeah, right, man. What the heck? Get out of here. Oops. Okay, I'm not supposed to be in the background. He had to retake so many shots. My bad. Alright, we got plans, bruh. Actually, we got 1 month till the grand opening of our local store here in Calgary. So that doesn't give me much time to prep it. And when I say prep, I mean maybe repaint all the walls. Just basically clean it up. Yo, what up guys? We are in the garage this morning and we are starting off the week by cleaning this place up because we have 1 month, pretty much exactly 1 month to get this place ready for its grand opening. And right now, it looks like poop. So I'm taking the liberty of cleaning up as much of these 2 rooms in the front area as possible. And like I've stated before, these 2 rooms are going to be used as gallery space for my artwork. And so the plan for today, we are going to recreate my grad piece, which is this robot bust in this lit up plinth, and it is actually really, really cool looking. Now, if I don't have enough content for this video, I might just add in the making of my grad piece, which happened a couple of years ago when I was just about to graduate from art college, actually. So for any of you who don't know, I did go to school for art, but it wasn't because of art school that taught me to be an illustrator. I was always a drawing kid at heart ever since I was a child, but like all of us, I guess. But I pursued it. I went to art college. It took me 5 years to get a bachelor's degree in fine arts for drawing, and so now here I am with my own garage slash clothing design slash art studio space, I guess you could say. So yeah, for me, this place is somewhere where I can just be myself and continue to expand on my creative side, you know? So yeah, okay, today's plan, let's just get working on this plinth so that we can get these rooms ready. Trust, when this thing is completely set up and built in, it's gonna look sick. Like, look at this. If you're small enough, you can actually fit inside the plinth. But this is so we can get inside there and play around with the electricals that are going into the plinth. And then here is the front of the plinth. So as you can see, it's already based off the brand, has the KMR logo cut out. I think this is particle board. It's a little bit cheaper than other wood construction materials that you can get out there, but I bought this from Home Depot. So I mean, the plan for today, I'm gonna sand down where I need to, take out all the staples that we had previously put into here before I dismantled it, and we're gonna refurbish it, make it look brand new, and then finally rebuild it and then put it into this room. So, got a lot of work ahead of us. Let's get started. Yeah. Alright, so first order of business, we're just gonna clean these up. There's some nails from before it got dismantled that are protruding, so I'm gonna cut those off. I'm gonna sand it down so that we can get it prepped for its next repaint, which I'm just gonna keep black. This plinth has been left outside for a season, and it went through rain, it went through snow, so if you look around the entire box, it's pretty roughed up. And yeah, so I'm just gonna cut all of these off. And then I'll make my own makeshift booth right here and we'll paint it black. The middle section is the one that got pretty effed up during the season change. This used to be completely flat, but underneath the paint, some of the water was able to soak the wood or the particle board, and now there's all these weird spots on it. So if I can't fix that, we're just gonna turn it around. I'm gonna paint the other side white, and then yeah, we'll just use this side because it's a lot cleaner. Just gotta get rid of these. They're everywhere. Yeah. Chris bringing this GTO. Ah, so nice outside. So JDM, bruh.
Ready for the roof, especially this part.
Oh, you're wrapping it?
Yeah. There's a lot of
Nice. Oh, nice.
You can have this. This is from next door.
Yeah.
The Pixel Express.
Yo, sweet dude.
You want this?
I didn't know Sticker App did the neochrome stuff or silver. This is Sticker App too?
Nope. That's from the one next door. I can give you 2 or something.
Nice. What? That's cool, dude. Thanks.
I removed it
Why?
because I'm putting a big wing.
Oh. Oh, an actual GT wing?
Yep.
Sick, dude.
Wider than
I've never actually seen your car in person, man.
There you go.
Super clean, super lewd. Damn, someone. Okay, I'm gonna try to install this table. Yeah, do these. Whoopsie! Just like a little bit. There you go. Nice try. It's okay.
Good as new.
Perfect.
Since I had a change, always a lot time. Guided to the destiny. Couldn't hold it. Now I'm living better days. I trip from the black roller. Like a joke right out of a magazine. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so bright like this guy. Always guiding me. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so beautiful to wear. Let me breathe your air, baby. Come into my life and love me. Girl, come into my life and love me. Girl, come into my life and love me.
Whatever. It's all good. Yes. Okay, so what I'm basically doing right now is I'm just sanding the shit out of these walls. Okay, so where it soaked up, you can see that the corners are fraying up, and I mean that's what happens when wood gets wet. So my plan is to just sand the shit out of this so that this disappears, basically. It just looks weird, and it's all over. Now I've already done a couple of pieces. The main platform, I'm just turning it upside down. We're gonna be painting this side because it's so much cleaner, and I've already taken the liberty of sanding this one down. So once they're all sanded, wipe him down, and then maybe we can start on the paint today.
Brightest thing I ever seen. Never wanna leave the stream. Hope it's you. Hope it's you. Girl, hope it's you. Hope it's you. Girl, hope it's you. Hope.
All right, Chris is out of here. Enjoy the day.
Brightest thing I ever seen. Never wanna leave the stream. Lately I've been seeing visions. Once in a lifetime. Only us till the end. Oh, put it on me. We just wanna get away. Faded, but it's okay to say. Like we bring you back to the 70s. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so bright like the sky. Always guiding me. Oh my gosh, I never seen
All right, so I've sanded all of the pieces down, but I don't have any paint. So I think I'm just gonna do some computer work. And in the meantime, here is the video of me actually making that thing for your guys' enjoyment and entertainment, and for my own personal documentation. Enjoy.
Lately I've been seeing visions. Once in a lifetime. Only us till the end. Oh, put it on me. We just wanna get away. Faded, but it's okay to say. Like we bring you back to the 70s. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so bright like the sky. Always guiding me. Oh my gosh, I never seen something so beautiful and rare. Let me breathe your air, baby. Girl, come into my life and love me. Girl, come into my life and love me. Girl, come into my life and love. Brightest thing I ever seen. Never wanna leave the stream. Hope it's you. Hope it's you. Girl, hope it's you. Hope it's you. Girl, hope it's you. Hope it's you. Girl, brightest thing I ever seen. Never wanna leave the stream. Never wanna leave the stream. Never wanna leave the stream. Oh, baby.
Now mind you, this was years ago and I probably can do a better job now, but this is the same exact art piece that we're gonna be recreating, refurbishing, and basically just reconstructing, putting it back together. Now the actual wearable robot armor is just sitting and collecting dust in my parents' basement, so I have to get that. But for me, this was the very first time ever in my life that I ever touched Pepakura, which is the paper building app that you guys can get on your computer, and they have millions of downloadable files for you to be able to create your own cosplays with. In my case, and I'm pretty sure some of you guys who were into the Halo series probably could already tell, I took inspiration from Halo armor. And I basically just put two armors together, but I also added my own flair. And so for tomorrow, before I come to the garage, gotta pick up the paint, first of all, cleaning supplies, and paintbrushes. So we're gonna be painting as much of this wall. We'll clean this wall as well. We'll be painting as much of it white as we can, and the stairs and hand railings. I'm pretty much done the plinth and I've set it up. So tomorrow's just gonna be a complete painting day for us. and I can get started on that as well. So I think I'm just gonna end this vlog here. I know it was kind of short, but at least I hope you guys enjoyed the process video of me making my final grad piece for when I graduated art school. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna end this video here, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow's vlog.
Baby.